Welcome to the channel Professor Davinci. I am the professor. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated.
A4. Given that g of x equaled 3 minus 5x minus 2x square, for x belongs to real number where x lies between minus 5 to plus 5. Find a g of minus 2 b. State the range. Find the range. C. Find the value of b when the g of b equal to 6. D. State the relation. So we will start with the A. We need to find the value of g of minus 2. So g of minus 2, we need to substitute minus 2 in place of x. So 3 minus 5 of minus 2 minus 2 of minus 2 the whole square. We get, so 3 minus 5 times of 2 is 10 minus 2 power 2 under 2, so 8. And finally we yield 5. So minus multiplication of minus, so we get plus 10. So final answer is plus 5. So we can say g of minus 2 equals say 5. Now coming to B. Find the range. So we need to find the range of say x equal minus 5 to plus 5. So the domain is minus 5 to plus 5. So we will start with a g of minus 5. G of minus 5 equals, so we need to substitute minus 5 in place of x. So 3 minus 5 times of minus 5 and minus 2 times of minus 5 the whole square equals, we will get on substitution, this is 25 and this is 25, 50, this is 3. So 22 minus 22. Similarly, we find a g of minus 4 equals 3 times minus 5 minus 4 minus 2 times of minus 4 the whole square. We get minus 9. G of minus 3 equals 3 times of minus 5 minus 3 minus 2 times of minus 3 the whole square equals 0. G of minus 2 equals 3 times minus 5 minus 2 minus 2 of minus 2 the whole square equals 5. G of minus 1 equals 3 minus 5 times of minus 1 minus 2 times of minus 1 the whole square equals 6. G of minus 0 equals 3 times minus 5 times of 0 minus 2 times of 0 square equals minus 4. 3. So this is correct answer 3. So g times of 1 equals 3 times of minus 3 minus 5 times of plus 1 minus 2 times of 1 square equals minus 4. G times of g of 2 equals 3 minus 5 times of 2 minus 2 times of 2 square equals minus 15. And g of 3 equals 3 times of 3 minus 5 times of 3 minus 2 times of 3 square equals minus 30. Then similarly we have g of 4 equals 3 times minus 5, 3 minus 5 times of 4 minus 2 times of 4, the whole square equals minus 49. G of 5 equals 3 minus 5 times of 5 minus 2 times of 5, the whole square equals minus 72. So the range is, so what is the range? So we can say the range equals minus 22 minus 9 0 5 6 3 minus 4 minus 15 minus 30 minus 49 minus 72 is the range. And now we will go for the number C. So what is number C? Find B when g of B equal to 6. Number C, we need to find the value of B when g of B equal to 6. So we have, it's a quadratic equation. G of x is a quadratic equation. 3 minus 5x minus 2x squared is a quadratic equation. We can rewrite minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Assume it equals 0. So the roots of the quadratic equation B equals minus B. The root, say we can say root B, minus 5 plus or minus root B square minus 5 the whole square minus 4 times of A and C. D. State the relation. Already we have found the value of g of minus 5. We found the value g of minus 5 is minus 22. Similarly, we have found the g of minus 4, g of minus 3, g of minus 2, g of minus 1, g of 0, g of 1, g of 2, g of 3, g of 4, g of 5. So we found the minus 22, minus 9, g of 3 is 0, g of minus 2 is 5, g of minus 1 equal to 6, g of 0 equals 3, g of 1 equals minus 4, g of 2 equals minus 15, and g of 3 equals minus 30, and this is g of 4 is minus 49, and g of 5 is minus 72. So already we have seen many times that to find the range, the relation, it's sufficient to find the value from minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. But in the A question, already we have found from minus 5 to plus 5. So let us use these values. So in this case we can say minus 2, for example, say minus 5. Minus 5 produces the value minus 22, and each value of x produces the unique value of output, that is y. So we can say the relation is 1-to-1 relation. Got it? See you, bye bye, have a great day.